Okay, so here we got the GoPro Jaws. This is the flex clamp, and this thing is awesome. And essentially, the reason why is because you could do this, and you could clamp it somewhere, and then you could readjust your GoPro where you want it. I'm gonna tell you, I use this in my motorcycle all the time. I could put it on my bars, and again, I could do some recording, right? So it's really, really good, and it's really fantastic. The couple things that you could do here, obviously, you have this neck right here that you can remove, and if you see right here, there is a portion where you could just, go like this and take it out. So now you just have your regular clamp. You could put your GoPro right there, and you could clamp it to places. But again, if you want the clamp, to me, it's fantastic. Or not the clamp, the neck right here is fantastic because you could put it on and then you could readjust this. And you can see how I'm flexing this all over the place. I mean, the flexibility that you have with this is amazing, guys. And I'm going to tell you, I have this for months by now, and it's a really, really decent product. It does really well. Now, I took it a step above, and I did this right here, which is an Lancy quick detach system. And the way that it works is actually quite simple. As you can see, I attached this right here. And now I'm going to show you my GoPro setup that I have here with a power bank, GoPro Hero 9. But if I disconnect this cable right here, which by the way is charging my GoPro constantly, I could just easily go like this and remove my GoPro. And now I can attach my GoPro here. I'm going to show you that right now. As you can see, it's attached. So again, now you have a clamp with a quick detach system right there. And again, it's really nice because you don't have to take it out of here or anything like that. So it's just a very good system. You could put this anywhere, guys. You could clamp this anywhere. This thing is fantastic. Like I said, I've been using it for a really long time and I really love it.